what problem does your product solve? Look, most of marketing is pointing out when people have a problem with something and that you have the solution. If you can't talk about your product in a way that's going to solve the solution for your client, you're not going to make any sales because you're focusing way too much on the sales versus the relationship. I have multiple programs and multiple softwares that I promote, and the reason I have multiples is because not every program is for everyone. If what you're struggling with is that you don't want to create any content or anything like that, you just want to send traffic to a link and make sales, that's going to be a completely different program than a TikTok creation coaching program or a faceless YouTube program or something like that. I have a fantastic faceless YouTube program that I absolutely promote. But here's the thing, if you're looking to be the next Insta famous person, you're not going to want faceless YouTube. You're going to want to know how to make real engaging content across social media. So stop promoting the product, start talking about the problems that you overcome with the product.